Hello and welcome everyone to another Dad's unboxing, Dad's cracking packs. This time I found this really cool Pokemon box, and it's a metal Pokeball with some boosters inside. Now let's open this up. Here we have our coin, nice Eevee coin, and 3 boosters of different series, and just like, it looks really nice, like it's sturdy and everything. So let's put the parts here and there, and let's start cracking these packs, huh? So get rid of the packaging. So Zora, Mareep, Teddiursa, Sableye, Toad. Ooh, reverse holo Entei. That looks cool. A Shiftry, nice. Energy card. Treasure Energy, that looks kind of cool. A Vigoroth and a Pyroar, nice. So let's get the shiny or the holo in the shot. So next, this one, the Chilling Rain. Zero, it's the Chilling Rain Master. Farfetch'd, Furfu, Venipede, Squeal, Crab Roller, a bonus suite. Oh, looks cute. It's Arena, sorry. Energy, Cybolt, Kirlia, nice. And then Agatha Trainer. So, where are we? No, sorry. Bone Sweet. So, and number 3, a Fusion Strike booster pack. So we have here a Morpeko, an Eevee, nice, a Shelder, a Voltorb, a Pansage, and the reverse holo Dunsparce, a Iveltal, Energy, a Graplock, a Diggersby, and whoever Sydney is. Here's a code if you need it. I don't. So here, Dunsparce. So that was it. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that box on my shelf. Pokemon cards, of course, go into my folder, and as always, thanks for watching, thanks for listening. You can support me on all my other social medias, as well as patreon.com/projectdad to keep the show on the road. Thanks for watching. I'm your dad Steve, and I am out.